Want to save hours every week in Excel? Whether you're a student, office professional, or just someone who loves being efficient, these 10 powerful Excel features will totally change how you work. Stick around till the end. My last 2 favorite features are absolute game changers that most users completely overlook. Let's jump in and boost your Excel productivity. The first one is Flash Fill. Automate data entry in seconds. Tired of typing the same patterns over and over? Flash Fill watches what you type and completes the rest instantly. Type John in cell B2 from John Smith in A2. Press Ctrl+E. And boom. First names extracted instantly. Repeat for last names in column C. It's like Excel is reading your mind. No formulas. No fuss. Just Flash Fill. The second one is remove duplicates to clean data instantly. Got messy lists full of repeated names or entries? Just select your data. Go to the Data tab and click Remove Duplicates. Choose the columns you want to clean. Click OK, and just like that, Excel gives you a clean list. This is a must-have feature for data cleaning in seconds. The third one is Conditional Formatting to visualize insights instantly. Want to spot trends or outliers fast? Use Conditional Formatting to highlight data based on value. For example, highlight sales above $10,000 in green and below $5,000 in red. First, select your data and go to the Home tab. Then click on Conditional Formatting. Go to Highlight Cell Rules and set your rules. Select Greater Than. Type 10,000. And pick Green Fill with dark green text. Click OK. Repeat the steps with less than 5,000 and choose a red fill. Explore data bars, color scales, and icon sets too. Turn raw data into visual insights with just a few clicks. Now, pivot tables to summarize big data without formulas. One of the most powerful tools in Excel. First, select your data, or click anywhere inside your data. Then go to Insert. Click on Pivot Table. Place it in a new worksheet. And click OK. Now drag region to rows. Sales to values. You've got a summary of total sales by each region. Want a product-wise breakdown? Just replace region with product name. You can also show data in tabular form. Just go to the Design tab. And from the Report Layout drop-down, choose Show in Tabular Form. To format values as currency, right-click any value and choose your preferred currency. No coding, just insights. The fifth one is Data Validation. Control what users enter. Want to avoid typos or wrong entries? Create a drop-down list using Data Validation. Go to the Data tab. Then Data Validation. Under the Settings tab, choose List from Allow. And type options like East, West, North, and South. Or, select the entire range. You can even add helpful input messages and error alerts to guide users. Click OK. Say goodbye to wrong data. Excel becomes your personal gatekeeper. The next one is Freeze Panes to keep headers visible while scrolling. Working with large spreadsheets? Don't lose track of headers. Click the row below your headers. Go to the View tab. Click on Freeze Panes drop-down. And select Freeze Panes. Now, scroll freely, see headers stay in place. Want to freeze both the top row and first column? Click cell B2. And freeze again. Simple, but a huge productivity booster. Now text to columns to instantly split data. Got combined data in one column? Use text to columns to split them easily. First, select the column. Go to the Data tab. Then Text to Columns. Choose Delimited. And click Next. Check Other. And type pipe symbol in the box. Click Finish. Your data will now be neatly split into 4 columns: name, department, job title, and location. The next feature is charts, to turn data into visual stories. First, highlight your data. Then go to the Insert tab. Click on Recommended Charts. And choose one of them that fit your dataset, like a bar chart or a pie chart for comparisons. Now, go to the Chart Design tab. And choose a design from the list. In seconds, you've got a clean, professional-looking chart, perfect for reports and presentations. Now, say hello to Power Query, Excel's built-in data cleaning tool. First, click anywhere in your table. Go to the Data tab, and click From Table Range. Now you're in the Power Query editor. Let's clean the data. Select the full name column. Click Home. Under Split Column drop-down, choose By Delimiter. Now choose your delimiter. Choose each occurrence or leftmost delimiter depending on consistency. Rename resulting columns to first name and last name. To fix date format, just select the date of birth column. Go to Transform. Click on Data Type. And choose Date. To trim extra spaces, first, select all columns. Go to Transform. Click on Format, and choose Trim. Finally, go home, and click Close and Load. Your clean data will now appear in a new sheet or table in Excel. The last one is xlookup. The future of lookup functions. Smarter, easier, and more flexible. We've got a list of products and prices. Now let's say you want to find the price of a mouse. Type mouse in cell D2. To find its price from a list, type this formula. It searches for mouse in A2 to A6 and returns the price from B2 to B6. If not found, it shows not found. Press Enter. Done. Clean, clear, and powerful. Works left, right, up, and down. These 10 Excel features aren't just cool, they're time-saving superpowers. Start using them today, and you'll work faster, smarter, and with less effort. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more Excel tips, and tell me in the comments, which feature is your favorite. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.